Hello friends, a few weeks back my colleagues Kimberly and Parvati had spoken about some of the most awaited IPOs. The link to their video can be found in the description. They had promised you that we will be providing details about some more IPOs. So my colleague Vinay and I have decided to take you through the remaining IPOs.
Thanks, Sham. So we will cover the following IPOs today: Aadhar Housing Finance, Ebix, Mankind Pharmaceuticals, Ixigo and Tata Technologies. Let us begin with Aadhar Housing Finance. The issue size of Aadhar Housing Finance is rupees 7,300 crores, of which rupees 1,500 crores is a fresh issue, and the remaining 5,800 crores is offer for sale. It is an affordable housing finance company targeting primarily first-time home buyers in economically weaker and low to middle income groups, with a strong CAR of 48%. 98.7% of the company is held by BCP Topco, which is incorporated in Singapore and linked to Blackstone Group. Aadhar Housing Finance's offerings are loans for purchasing or constructing residential properties, loans for home improvement and extensions, loans for acquiring and constructing commercial property. The high share of home loans, salaried customers and negligible corporate loans compared to peers is a strong combination for minimizing asset quality risk in the portfolio. When it comes to customer segments, salaried segment comprises 65% of AUM and the remaining by self-employed. It has 1.65 lakh accounts in total and a GNPA ratio of just 0.74%. Now let us learn more about this sector. There is a decline in market share of large housing finance companies which can favor affordable housing finance companies like Aadhar Housing Finance. During financial years 18 and 21, affordable housing finance companies have delivered the highest growth among HFC groups. The Aadhar Housing Finance IPO is one of the biggest issues to hit the market. The affordable housing market is heating up with names like Home First and Aptus Value getting listed in the last couple of years and commanding good valuations. When it comes to its financials, both NII and PAT have grown more than 10 times during FY17 and 21.
Next, we speak about Ebix, which is planning to come up with a 6,000 crore IPO. Ebix Cash provides digital products and services and has organized its business into 4 segments: payment solutions, travel, financial technologies, and BPO services and startups. The largest segment is payments, which includes domestic remittance, forex, international remittance, and prepaid cards, where in each case, it largely generates revenue based on commissions and transaction fees. Ebix Singapore is the holding promoter company of Ebix Cash with a 100% stake. The ultimate holding company is Ebix Inc. Mr. Robin Rena is the chairman and non-executive director, holding a 14% stake in the holding company, with major investors like BlackRock and Vanguard also holding stakes. He joined Ebix Inc. as a vice president in October 97, became the CEO within 2 years, and went on to change the company's destiny. Payment solutions is the major revenue contributor. Key segments like prepaid cards and domestic remittance are expected to grow by 12 to 13%. The prepaid cards market has grown significantly post-COVID. COVID-19 resulted in a reduction in the demand for forex and remittance services, but over FY 2021, it experienced significant growth in prepaid cards business in both the retail and corporate segments, leading to a remarkable growth in revenues in the last 2 years.
Now let us discuss Mankind Pharma, whose IPO would be worth 5,500 crores and is a complete offer for sale. Mankind Pharma is India's 4th largest pharmaceutical company in terms of domestic sales. The founder and chairman of Mankind Pharma, Mr. Ramesh Juneja, is a first-generation entrepreneur. He started his career as a medical representative for Lupin Limited. He established Mankind Pharma in 95-96 with a seed capital of rupees 50 lakhs. His younger brother, Mr. Rajiv Juneja, is the MD and vice chairman of the company. 79% of the company is owned by promoters or members of the promoter group. Around 11% is held by private equity investors, managed and advised by the Capital Group, which is a foreign institutional investor in India. Mankind Pharma has two business divisions, domestic pharma and consumer healthcare. In domestic pharma, the company's product portfolio includes a broad range of formulations to address chronic and therapeutic areas such as cardiovascular, anti-infectives, anti-diabetic, and respiratory. In the consumer healthcare business, Mankind has several popular brands across categories such as condoms, pregnancy detection, oral contraceptives, etc. The company has 18 brands generating more than 100 crores in revenues. Manforce, Prega News, Unwanted 72 and Gasofast are some of the renowned brands that you may have heard of. Mankind also operates in 34 countries across the globe and is known for making cost-effective products. The Indian pharma industry is estimated to grow at 10% to 11% between FY22 and 27. Peers include Lupin Limited, Sun Pharma, Torrent, Cipla, GSK, etc. Mankind's revenue growth in FY22 was 25% as compared to a single-digit revenue growth of 7% in FY21.
The fourth company in this list is Ixigo. It's a travel portal launched in 2007 and headquartered in Gurgaon. It mainly serves as an intermediary between a user and a travel booking website and earns commission on each booking. It uses a multi-app strategy to target distinct consumer segments. Alok Bajpai and Rajneesh Kumar are the promoters of Ixigo. They were wingmates at IIT Kanpur and worked with French corporate Amadeus in Europe. But they came back to India in 2006 to follow their dreams and founded Ixigo after finding how difficult it was to make travel bookings for several destinations in India. Together, they hold 18% shares. VC funds and investment firms own more than 50% of the company. So what does Ixigo do? It is the largest Indian OTA in the online train booking segment with 42% market share in terms of rail bookings among the OTAs and B2C distributors of IRCTC in FY21. Its bus-focused app, AbhiBus, was the second largest bus ticketing OTA in India with a 10% market share in online bus ticket bookings. Although online ticket booking penetration has increased substantially in the railway sector, it is yet to achieve its full potential in other areas. Its competitors include MakeMyTrip, EaseMyTrip, Yatra.com, ClearTrip.com, etc. In Q1 FY23, Ixigo enjoyed a profit of 8.7 crore rupees.
Finally, let us analyze the company whose upcoming IPO is generating a lot of buzz, Tata Technologies. The last IPO from Tata Group was TCS in 2004. This IPO is likely to be the next IPO from this deeply respected business conglomerate. Tata Technologies is a global leader in providing engineering, design and IT related services to the automotive and aerospace sectors. With 9,300 plus global employees, it serves over 100 global clients through 17 global delivery centers across the world. Mr. Warren Harris is the CEO of Tata Technologies since 2014. Tata Motors is the largest shareholder with 72.48% stake. Alpha TC Holdings holds 8.96% and the remaining is owned by few Tata entities and some individuals. Primary offerings of Tata Technologies are 1. Engineering, research and development. 2. Digital services for large enterprises. The services revenue contributes 75.2% and the technology solutions adds 24.8% to the revenue mix. According to the company's latest annual report, the global engineering R&D market is expected to expand at a CAGR of 9% from 2021 to 2025 to reach $2.3 trillion. The digital engineering segment is expected to grow at a CAGR of 18% over the next 4 years. As evident from the financials, FY22 was a fantastic one for the company. The year-on-year revenues grew by almost 50% and the company's EPS has increased by 82% in FY22.
Apart from these, there are many more companies who have filed their DRHPs. You can check out the list here. Liked watching this video? Then do remember to subscribe to our channel.